It's me, Count Possible, as you know, and this is the best cheese ever made. The best cheese ever. Look at it right there, how milky and goodness it is. And you can only get it out of Uruguay. None of us know what kind it is. It's just Uruguay cheese, that's what I call it. It comes in tacos. Tacos are good. And right now, you're in the chips basket.
Oh, don't need any extra.
Yeah, little Uruguay. Pretty good. The rice is great. Here's what my plate looks like right now. And yeah, you're back in the chip basket. So yeah, and here we go. Celebration for 10 subscribers is now. Perfect. Please click that red subscribe button on my Facebook page, click like on that, and bye.